How's it going, everyone? Thanks for tuning in. And now I'm sure we all wondered what would happen if we didn't use a screen protector on an iPhone 10. And that's exactly what I did, 6 months straight for this experiment. And I'll be sharing with you guys the results. So in the past, I would always had some kind of screen protector over my phone, but I was never a huge fan of the dust line or other debris that would commonly build up along the edges, giving our phone like this weird outline. And it could be very difficult to install perfectly without experiencing any bubbles or dust marks that could mess things up. And I'm sure we can all relate to this. And after Apple made this claim last year on all the latest iPhones,
so excited because this glass is the most durable ever in a smartphone.
It got me thinking, should I test this out and see how it goes? Well, 6 months later, there's definitely some scratches here and there on the screen that aren't really noticeable when the screen is on, but when the display is turned off, we could clearly see them. Although they aren't deep scratches, but you could still definitely see they're there. Now, all the cases that I used previously on all my iPhones, I always make sure they have like the little lip bezel that goes all the way around the screen. So if I place this phone on a flat surface, there's always going to be a gap separating it from whatever flat texture it's facing. And personally, I would always make sure my phone is separated from any pocket items like loose change, car keys, or other items you might commonly find in your pockets to prevent any damage from occurring. So this is just showing me that these marks most likely happen during just common movements. I doubt my fingertips are sharp enough to cause any marks like these. But even looking at the back, there still managed to be some scratches along the sides as well. So I'm not too sure how these marks happen, and I always swap out cases constantly, like this one. This one has my barcode here for my gym membership, and if I'm ever low on batteries, I usually just swap it to my battery case. So my cases are always going to be most likely clean, or other particles from moving inside the case creating some scratches. So no, this isn't Apple's strongest glass on any smartphone. It doesn't seem like it. But I have really been enjoying my phone using it like this. It definitely feels a lot better to operate without having a bump of a screen protector, and I'm able to do gestures a lot more smoothly. It just feels right. And unless it's in direct sunlight, you really don't notice these scratches. And to be quite honest, even with these minor scratches, I doubt this even hurts the resale value. If I were to sell this, I'm pretty sure it will still sell the same as a iPhone that had a screen protector. Unless there's no chips, cracks, or bends on the body, like the steel body, it still works the same as an iPhone 10 that always had a screen protector on. So let me know down in the comment section down below if you too are a rebel and gone several months or a year without having a screen protector on your phone. How's your experience been like? And no, I'm not saying screen protector are useless. I'm pretty sure they really do help, especially giving you an extra layer of protection just in case of a hard impact to prevent the screen from shattering. Because trust me, the last thing you want to do is pay for the repair costs for these Super Retina OLED displays. These things are not cheap. But that's my experience and the end results of going 6 months without a screen protector on my iPhone 10. And if you like these experiment videos, you know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe, share this results with your friends. But until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace!